Hello dear friends, dear viewers. Today we are making video about iBrit scooter. This is a iBrit scooter. It's coming with double packet, double box. Look, this is an iBrit foldable iBrit electric scooter. This rush light folding electric scooter. Speed up to 20 km maximum speed, up to 13 km range, and in 4 to 5 hour full charged complete, and only 11 kilogram. This scooter's weight is only 11 kilogram, so you can carry easily after folding. So this is a first cover, first box, and second box is inside. This second box too much heavy, so I know bring out. Now we are looking the iBrit scooter. This is a very lightweight scooter. This is a back wheel, 8-inch wheel. It means 200 mm, and there is a signal light. Okay, if moving, then it light will bleeding. This is a unsharpness sticker. This is a lock system. The lock. This is a pedal, and this is a front wheel and with motor, and inside this battery. So we look now from front side. Look, very gorgeous looking. Front side a light, then going down. Front wheel. Look. This is the light switch. This is the light switch. Now off. This is a handle. You can remove this handle. Only move. Then remove. Easy fixing system. Okay, this one also you can remove. And it's have electronics brake system. This is a brake system, electronics brake, and this is a accelerator, and this is a charging port. Look, the charging port. This is a speed meter. You can see here only 40.7 km this one moved, and this one is speed. Look, this is a speed number because its motor have 3 terminal of speed. Look, this is 0, and now 1, now 2, and now 3, and you can get down this one to 1, 0. 1. Okay, this is a battery indicator, now full charge. And look, others company have too much wire outside and it's don't have any cable outside. You cannot find any cable, only there is two cable, small cable. Okay, so this one too much safety, it's very safety. And now I show you how can this one start, because now stand is I removed stand and now keep my leg here. If I accelerating but this one not going, if now I pushing accelerator button, accelerate, but this one not going, so how can go this? Just keep one leg here, then push by another leg like this. Okay, like this. After kicking by another leg, it will move some slow speed. This moving time, just press the accelerator, then it will go, it will running start. And if you forget to stop the power button, then it will automatically going to sleep after 10 minutes. So this is battery saving. So today we make this video, buy and check for the people. This is very good looking. Thank you for watching my video.